Today's episode covers big shifts across electric vehicles and advanced driving tech. Rivian and Ford teaming up on EV technology, BYD moving deeper into Europe, Tesla rolling out new autonomous driving developments, Tier 1 suppliers advancing ADAS, and growing momentum behind EV battery recycling. Welcome back to Autonews Daily. I'm Leah Morgan. Let's dive into today's headlines. First up, BYD's push into Europe signals a notable reshuffling of the EV landscape. The Chinese manufacturer, already a dominant force in multiple global markets, is expanding its footprint in Europe, bringing a broad lineup and competitive pricing to a region that has been a battleground for automakers transitioning to electric powertrains. That move will increase consumer choice and intensify competition with established European and global brands, while also prompting regulators and dealers to adjust to new distribution and after-sales models. As BYD steps in, expectations are that its scale in battery production and vertical integration could press incumbent OEMs to sharpen their cost strategies and accelerate new launches. Dealers and service networks will be watching closely for how BYD structures warranties, charging support, and parts logistics across multiple countries. For European buyers, more options may mean better access to value-oriented EVs, but it also raises questions about how local infrastructure, warranty enforcement, and maintenance ecosystems will evolve to support a larger and more diverse electric fleet. Moving now to Tesla, the company has rolled out another wave of autonomous driving technology that continues to shape industry standards and customer expectations. Tesla's latest developments emphasize software improvements, expanded beta testing, and incremental feature updates that aim to increase the scope and reliability of its assisted driving capabilities. Even without full regulatory approvals for fully autonomous operation, these software advances change the conversation around driver assistance, insurance, and consumer perception of autonomy. The ripple effects are wide. Competitors are re-evaluating their own roadmaps for autonomy and driver assistance, and Tier 1 suppliers and startups are adjusting partnerships to keep pace with software-driven feature sets. For drivers, the incremental upgrades translate into improved convenience and safety features, but they also renew debates about driver supervision, real-world testing practices, and how regulators should monitor and certify evolving systems. The next few quarters will be important to see how Tesla's updates perform in diverse driving conditions and how regulators respond. Speaking of systems that assist drivers, major Tier 1 suppliers are accelerating work on advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, with new sensor fusion, software architectures, and scalable platforms. These suppliers are pitching modular solutions that automakers can integrate more easily across model lines, lowering development costs and speeding time to market. The focus is on improving lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and object detection reliability, while also enabling more advanced features as regulatory frameworks mature. This wave of ADAS development also reflects a shift towards standardized safety frameworks among suppliers and OEMs. Improved collaboration between hardware makers, software vendors, and automakers is helping to reduce integration complexity and to make system updates more manageable over a vehicle's lifetime. For consumers, that should mean steadier improvements in everyday safety and a clearer upgrade path as vehicles increasingly rely on software and over-the-air updates to refine behavior long after sale. Another critical topic gaining traction is EV battery recycling, where both industry players and startups are scaling up solutions to recover valuable materials and reduce environmental impact. As the EV park grows, end-of-life batteries are becoming a significant focus for manufacturers, recyclers, and policymakers. The industry is moving from pilot projects to more established processes that reclaim lithium, cobalt, nickel, and other components, while also exploring second-life applications for batteries that no longer meet range requirements but retain useful capacity. This expansion in recycling capacity has implications for raw material supply chains and sustainability metrics across the automotive sector. Better recycling reduces dependence on new mining, mitigates supply shocks, and can improve the life cycle emissions profile of EVs, all important considerations for automakers setting emissions targets and for consumers weighing the environmental credentials of electric models. Scaling recycling economics remains a challenge, but growing investment and regulatory interest suggest the sector is at a turning point. Please like and subscribe. It helps us keep bringing the news to you. Finally, we turn to the collaboration between Rivian and Ford on electric vehicle technology, a development that could reshape how major automakers partner and share resources. The two companies are exploring cooperative approaches to core EV components, and that kind of collaboration highlights a pragmatic trend. Rather than competing on every element of vehicle design, automakers are finding value in shared platforms, joint technology development, and strategic alliances. Such partnerships can accelerate innovation, reduce costs, and allow each firm to focus on brand differentiation and customer experience. For the broader market, a Rivian Ford partnership underscores how the transition to electrification is prompting new business models. Established OEMs can benefit from nimble EV specialists' engineering and manufacturing approaches, while newer entrants gain access to scale, production expertise, and distribution networks. The net effect could be faster rollout of new EV models, better supply chain resilience, and more diverse offerings for consumers. At the same time, collaborations raise questions about intellectual property, competitive positioning, and how closely aligned companies will remain as they pursue different market segments. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.